Today we are working on finishing up the hitching rails. So we've got all the pilot holes drilled. And we're ready to put the bolts on. The top rail's chiseled out so it sits nicely on these posts. Just showing you, we should have put the bolt in on this side first because it didn't line up correctly. So we are fixing this. So we ended up taking these lag bolts out and we're going to see if that will help it be lined up better. So close. Okay, now we're going to try again, see if it lines up better. Now we're tightening everything back up again because we finally got this bolt in the hole.
Battery's pretty much dead.
There. One hitching rail is complete. They're not going to pull that over. Can you tell them what kind of hardware we used?
3/8 leg bolt and 1/2 inch bolt.
And what is the flat iron on top? Thickness?
1/4 inch thick by 2 inches, just bent over.
And that was forged with heat, right?
Yep.
There. So now I can tie up draft horses to this if I want it, and it shouldn't go anywhere. Okay, so we're working on the second hitching rail now. So this one's closer to the house and more in view. We did the one far away so that if we messed up it didn't show as much. Less people would look at it. So yeah, we're working on the second one now. And it's going a lot smoother because, you know, you make mistakes on the first one and then you learn on the second one. Progress on number 2 so far. we've got these bolts in. We did these first this time on the second one instead of second. That way we weren't having to unscrew the lag bolts. So we put these ones in first, made sure the hole we drilled first was straight, and then that thing is solid.
Thanks to Welder Wayne.
Yeah, thanks Welder Wayne for your help making these pieces here, these metal pieces. There, Burnt River Ranch officially has 2 hitching rails. Something I always wanted was hitching rails to tie my horses up at. And there they are. Are you helping, Stella? No? You wish you didn't have all your snow gear on.